Here we are. It's climbing. You're right. It's climbing, my friends. It's one delta. It took a while to get it going, but something's getting it going because the earnings that we went over in video one live here, MMT, was pretty flat. And then, like I said, you would have to take all those shorts out, and being net long is how you get longer in the tooth up to that 150. But I'm being told by other MMTs that we're up over one delta right now in our system, which is good. And the thing about it is, I'm sure there's going to be a conference call and something that the company would have to see, as I said in video one live here now with my MMTs and the free trial members. Well, they're here. They're going through it. It's just a slow grind that would have to keep going. And what would have to happen to keep these shorts? The short sellers are trapped in it. And as the short sellers stay in it, it keeps going higher against the short seller, which provides us our bull case. That provides the bull case, right, MMT? Now, them short sellers, look at them. They're going right on in here. Here's that price action. That's at 147.65. It peaked at the 148 MMT. Now they got to come back, and they got to run that thing higher here in that ask and get that bear out of there. When that bear gets shaken out, you go higher. That's how BIDU, live after hours. It's fun. This is how they go higher, Kareen. Now, see if they hold the 1 delta, though, because they're spiking it to 148 area and then dropping it. Now, with the Baidu trade here in after hours, we're showing MMTs that 147.23 is going to be these weekly resistance tops, as the company reported their quarterly reports. It's not a big bang report that Baidu is used to having, because it's not, but that's what it's going to look like. Another thing that Baidu will do is that when Baidu enters its weekly buy signal here, is going to gain strength. And once that weekly buy signal goes, we've got about a 4-week position that we would look at, that Baidu intraday will come back and hit support levels now, but they would bounce stronger, and that the actual bull side of the trend, the bull trend side of it within the pricing structures, would increase with stability at support levels and bounce very nicely. And that weekly buy signals are good to get on. It's not a huge gap, okay? Because it's not for this company. However, it will increase the public awareness, what standard technical analysis would be, but it also equals that the crowd, and we got these resistance levels right here to deal with, and that's we're up above that 141, but this next one up here on the weekly level goes right here, where you had a 4-week resistance level before caving down. Of course, that was back in 2011. So we're looking at that upper end of resistance there. That'd be nice. 153.61 is where we'll be looking at that target. Of course, we have other targets we're going to have to get through. I'm just showing it on a weekly level. And we would have to get through, we'd have to get through the 149.75 area. So that's where we stand on Baidu on a weekly, and that will conclude the weekly analysis. And we also know that we are one full delta in our system, which is a $4.94 price expansion in price from the closing bell. And we will trade Baidu on a intraday level at support and then sell at resistance on several transactions, because of that weekly buy signal will increase with delta expansion in our brain with our MMT platform, that is. And we already know what that's going to be. So we'll be sticking with it, and we'll be buying it tomorrow, and we'll be shorting it up there. It got to 148 and rolled over and maintaining that price level here. So they're selling short into it in after hours as well.